Hello, road explorers! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where epic journeys come to life. We're thrilled to unveil a CARFAX one-owner 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F with an astonishingly low 6,300 miles, priced at an incredible $169,900. This 40-foot all-electric Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner chassis, boasts the luxurious 38F floor plan with 4 massive slide-outs, sleeping up to 6 in style. Adorned in the stunning Aquarius full-body paint package, this RV gleams with prestige. Powered by a potent Cummins diesel engine, buckle up for a dazzling tour to explore every upscale feature of this near-new gem. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F commands the spotlight. The Aquarius graphics package, with its vibrant full-body paint, ensures this coach shines at every destination. Stretching 40 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride across any terrain. Powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter diesel engine, it produces 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for effortless performance. Brand new tires all around keep you road-ready with confidence. The all-electric design and low mileage ensure reliability for years to come. The exterior is packed with premium features to elevate your outdoor adventures. Basement storage compartments circle the entire exterior, with pull-out storage space for camping gear, outdoor toys, or travel essentials. An exterior entertainment center with a small TV, speakers, and stereo creates a perfect setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. A power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers provide shade and style, transforming any campsite into a luxurious retreat. 4-point automatic one-touch hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation a breeze. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow with ease. Powering your journeys is seamless with this RV's advanced systems. The Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out tray with auto gen start delivers robust power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service, paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units and the AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system, providing hot water and furnace heat, keep you comfortable year-round. Step inside, and the 38F floor plan unfolds as a spacious, elegant haven. 4 enormous slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 6, perfect for families or groups seeking upscale comfort. The layout features a king-size Encore series bed in the rear master bedroom, a drop-down overhead bunk bed above the front seats, and a large L-shaped sectional sleeper sofa in the living room. The front living area is a tranquil retreat with a pull-out L-shaped sectional sofa, a recliner, a 42-inch TV, an electric fireplace with heat, and a table dinette with 4 chairs, ideal for cozy evenings or lively gatherings. A 32-inch TV above the front seats adds extra entertainment. The full kitchen is a chef's paradise, designed for seamless meal prep. It boasts stainless steel appliances, including a residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction stovetop, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink with faucet, an extendable countertop, and a dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Pantry storage keeps everything organized, while the table dinette offers a comfortable dining space. The private bathroom is a standout, featuring an oversized shower enclosure with glass doors, a skylight, dual sink and vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, delivering a spa-like experience. A stackable washer and dryer makes extended trips or full-time living effortless. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil retreat, crafted for restful nights. The Encore series king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closet, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates a spacious, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, home-like vibe. The king bed, overhead bunk, and sectional sofa provide flexible sleeping for up to 6, ideal for family vacations or group getaways. Let's shine a spotlight on what makes this RV exceptional. The 38F floor plan, with 4 slide-outs and sleeping for 6, offers a luxurious interior for family adventures. The Cummins ISB engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid freedom. Premium features like the AquaHot system, dishwasher, and Aquarius paint package add elegance and functionality, while the heated tile floors and washer-dryer elevate comfort. At just $169,900, this CARFAX one-owner 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F, with only 6,300 miles, is a phenomenal deal for a luxury diesel pusher. Picture yourself cruising in this 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F, exploring mountain vistas, coastal retreats, or serene campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine preparing a gourmet meal in the upscale kitchen, relaxing by the electric fireplace, or unwinding in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This all-electric RV blends home-like luxury with the thrill of travel. and its Aquarius exterior ensures you arrive with style. With its near-new condition, every journey will create cherished memories. Let's uncover why this discovery is a must-have. Fleetwood's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, heated tile floors, and thoughtful features like the overhead bunk and central vacuum system. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a joy. From the dishwasher to the spacious bathroom, this RV is built for luxury and adventure. Ready to claim this masterpiece? Priced at just $169,900, this 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F is a rare chance to own a near-new, feature-packed diesel pusher. Reach out at 8642-609-276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to set you up for your next adventure. Thank you for joining us for this exciting walk-around of the 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F. Explore more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, low mileage, and unbeatable price, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 8642-609-276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2019 Discovery 38F. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you hit the road in luxury.